Now I will show you how you can add feature function in your LinkedIn profile. Simply you just need to click on add profile section, and after this you just need to click on recommended, and after this you just need to click on add featured. And from here you can add videos, you can add your website, you can add your pictures, article, anything you can add according to your requirement. For example, I am just adding here the image so you totally understand about this. For example, I am just selecting here the image, and here you just need to write the description of the image, and after this you just need to click on save. And if you want to add, you just need to click on added this one, and if you want to delete, you just need to click on delete button. If you want to add more pictures, more post, article or link, you just need to click on plus sign. For example, I'm just adding one more. I'm selecting here the all profile, and from here I am just selecting here this one. And here you just need to write the title and description, and after this you just need to click on save. And now I want to show you how look like the feature function in your LinkedIn profile. And now you can see that this is a feature function in your LinkedIn profile. It's look like a more professional.